Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Charlie Morningstar in Gacha Club. First, open Gacha Club and select an empty character slot, choosing a female base. For her skin, pick a light peach color from the palette. Adjust her height to approximately 5 units to match her animated appearance. Keep her head size at the default setting for a balanced look. This forms the perfect foundation for our Princess of Hell. Now let's craft Charlie's iconic hair and face. For her hair, select a long, wavy style for both the back and front sections. Color her hair a vibrant, bright blonde. Next, move to her eyes, choose a large, expressive shape, and color them a striking red with black pupils. Finally, give her a small, friendly smile to capture her optimistic personality. Moving on to Charlie's distinctive outfit. Start with a crisp white collared shirt and layer a fitted black vest over it. Accessorize with a small, bright red bow tie. For her lower half, select simple black pants. Her signature piece is a long, red tailcoat jacket, so find one that flows well. Complete the look with a pair of simple black dress shoes. For the final touches, let's add some unique elements and a pose. Give Charlie small, white demon wings, positioning them neatly on her back. Choose a friendly and welcoming pose that reflects her kind nature. Select a simple background that complements her design without distracting from it. Once satisfied, save your amazing Charlie Morningstar creation to an available character slot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.